everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmasters Paradise, and today I just want to do a quick little update. I have not been scrapbooking at all. Like you guys have clearly seen from my channel, I haven't been scrapbooking at all. I ended up getting a Peloton and I have been exercising a lot. I totally enjoy the app. The bike is amazing. It is life-changing and I absolutely love it. I have videos on my lifestyle channel about it if you want to know more about it, but that's really just like eating up most of my free time right now. I will get back into scrapbooking at some point, but right now, like, the bike is shiny and new and I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying getting stronger and fitter, and that's just where my priority is right now. I just have such a limited amount of energy and kid-free time right now, especially in the summer. My schedule, my routine went completely out the window. I'm trying to soak up the time with the kiddos while they're here for summer and hopefully get into a better routine coming in the fall. But I wanted to talk to you guys today, not about Peloton, not about all this background stuff, but I wanted to talk to you about something that I am doing. It's kind of a big deal for me, although most of you guys won't care at all. I just felt like it needed its own video just to mark this. I have been scrapbook blogging since March of 2008. So a really long time. I've had my blog. There are hundreds and hundreds of projects on there. And it's something that I've been really, really proud of over the years, that I have this resource of inspiration and tutorials and all that stuff. And when I switched to doing mostly YouTube videos, I wasn't posting to the blog nearly as much. I don't transfer over all of my YouTube videos and make a blog post about them. I should have over the years, but I just haven't. And I have just been kind of putting the blog on the back burner. I tried to do a little bit more on it recently, but I don't know. I just was not the format I felt like was reaching more people. I feel like more people watch this channel than access my blog. And so I made the decision recently over the last couple of months to just close my blog. And so this is a big deal since I've had it since March 2008. It's going to be the first time I'm not going to have a blog. And it feels really weird to even make this video, even to talk about it, much less actually do it. So my hosting was set to be renewed. It gets renewed every year. It'd be a discounted rate to pay by the year versus pay every month. And it breaks down to be, I don't know, like $12 to $15 a month. I don't exactly know the breakdown. It changes sometimes from year to year. And I decided to not renew it. Somewhere in the middle of July, my blog is going to go dark. So I've already backed up the entire blog, just the years and years, over a decade worth of content. So I did back it up a few different times, a few different places. So I have the backups accessible if I ever want to bring my blog back, but it's just gonna go away. I didn't hit the renew button this time. I actually went in and undid the auto renew. So it's going to be completely gone. I am gonna keep my domain name and just have it sent to the YouTube channel so I don't have to worry about that at all. I'll still have the same domain, but I'm just not going to be posting to the blog. I'm just going to be posting projects here, which may end up being like project shares, whereas before I'd be like, okay, I'm going to make 4 layouts a month. I post those 4 layouts to the blog and refer you guys to the blog if you want to see them. I kind of talk about them a little bit here, but it may be something like I make a layout, I turn on the camera, talk about what I did on the layout, and just share it with you guys via the video. And I don't know how that's gonna go over. I know some people do things that way, but everything's gonna be in video form now since I'm not gonna have the blog to do like photo and long written things. So definitely it's gonna be different. It may change this channel to where I post more stuff that's gonna be like quicker things like, hey guys, here's a layout, here's what I did, here are the supplies I use that are new. Talk about it like that. And I feel like that takes a little bit of the pressure off because it doesn't have to be like perfect on the blog. It can be just a YouTube video. It just can be me sitting back talking to you guys. But that's pretty much it. I'm getting rid of the blog. So that's it. I hope you guys are well. If you have projects on my blog that you have referred to, maybe save the picture. Other than that, things are going well. I have tried to update on my other channel, but I'm not even updating there very much right now because it's just summertime and I'm just enjoying it as much as I can, getting on the bike as much as I can, which is over there. Hope you guys are having a great summer. I do plan on coming back at some point and being more regular about it, but I just suck at it, guys. I just suck at having regular content right now in general. So be sure to like, subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.